Hi everyone, I'm Bogna Wiltowska, a We Animals Fellow. In 2024, I carried out the first ever animal investigation in Central Asia. For many years, farming there was mostly traditional, but now industrial farms are spreading across the region. The growing demand for meat and dairy means more and more animals are suffering, and most people never get to see what's really happening behind closed doors. During this project, I witnessed things I will never forget. Animals killed without stunning after hours of waiting in heat and overcrowding. I looked into their eyes through my lens and watched their last breath. These moments broke my heart, but they also gave me the strength to keep going, to keep telling their stories, because every image can make someone stop, think, and care. Because they can't speak, but we can. Animals there deserve to be seen. They deserve their stories to be told. My virtual exhibition tells the story of this journey, of what I saw, what I felt, and what animals in Central Asia go through every day. Please take a moment to see it, to feel it, and to stand with us, for them, for animals.